welcome back to my channel. Hey you guys, welcome back to another payday wig day, baby. Before we get started with today's review, you already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Now, today's review comes from, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Yiroo. It is spelled Y-I-R-O-O. And I'm going to leave all of that information below on the box. They tell you, you know, what their Facebook name is, their Instagram name is, and also their YouTube name is. So I want to say thank you so much for sending me this unit. So when you open up the box, it comes with your packing slip. Looks like they give you a headband. Comes with 2 wig caps, so it's 2 deluxe wig cap, 2 pieces in this package. And then the unit comes in this nice thick plastic bag. Now let me tell you about the unit. I have to look it up on my phone because it doesn't say it on the packing slip. And this unit is a 13x4 lace front wig. It is 180% density, 22 inches. The hair is made by real virgin hair. And it says that you can also color it or curl it. If you need to dye it to light color, they suggest that you get a 613 blonde hair to dye it. That will be much easier to get the light color. Now, this is what the unit is looking like straight on out the pack. Looks like this might be in the color 1B or 2. Now, this is the lace on the unit. As you can see, there is some baby hairs right here on it. This hairline looks like it is everything, y'all. Of course, I'm going to have to cut these baby hairs. That's just entirely too long for me. But this hairline looks like it is everything. Yes, I am feeling this. It feels good. I'm running my fingers through it. I haven't experienced any tangling or anything with it. It is pretty long. Like I said, it is 22 inches. So let's just go ahead and put it on and see what we're working with, okay? Now, before I put her on, I do want to let you know that it does have 2 combs, like in the front on the side. It has a comb in the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps. This is the inside construction of the cap. And this is one of those companies that you see advertising on Facebook and on Instagram all the time, and people want to know if they're a legit company or if they're real. Well, they are real, okay? Okay guys, so here is the unit straight on, straight on out the little pack that they sent it to me in. And I can tell you right now, I already know that I'm going to love this wig. The hair feels so good. I'm going to zoom in so you all can see this hairline, honey. Like, look at this hairline. Like, what? Yes, ma'am. It looks like that joker is coming on out your scalp. Now, I don't know if you can part this unit, so let me see. It doesn't look like you can part this unit. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off, and we're going to spruce her up and really get into her, okay? guys, here you have it. I tried my best with this unit. You know, it doesn't, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me go ahead and rate this unit. I'm going to give this unit 4K. And let me tell you why. The hair quality is awesome. It really, really is. There hasn't been any kind of tangling or shedding whatsoever. I didn't have to put any heat on this unit. Of course, you can put heat on a unit if you want to straighten it out more, or if you want to curl it, or whatever the case may be. I didn't do any of that. This unit, you know, I cut the baby hairs, but I really didn't need the baby hairs because this hairline is really, really nice. I didn't glue it down to my head, but as you can see, the hairline, I mean, my goodness. I mean, it doesn't have any kind of like parting space in it. So it's just really one of those wigs where you throw it on, you can, like, you know, comb it over to the side with your hands and go on about your business. Like, this really does look so natural. The only reason why I'm not giving it 5Ks is because it didn't come with any kind of parting space. I did play with it off camera. You could, you know, put it up in a ponytail. It does have lace in the back that you can cut, where you can put it up in one big ponytail, or you can put it up in one ponytail, you know, right here, and have hair hanging down. And like I said, I didn't glue my sides down, but just to show you all, let me just show you what that hairline is looking like right there. Like, come on. So if you wanted to throw this up in a ponytail, you can have a little hair hanging down. I mean, the hairline is awesome. Like, you really cannot beat this hairline. Like, look at that. That looks so natural. Like, it came on, truly, like it came on out of my scalp. The only thing I wish is that it had a parting space in it. I didn't do too much in the front, like I said, as far as the baby hairs, because I just really like how natural it looks. Like, it really does. I did put, you know, a little powder right here. You could bleach the knots. I didn't do any of that, but I'm sure bleaching the knots will make it, you know, look a little bit more better. But off camera, I played with it a lot, because I didn't know what I was going to do with it. And I just decided to leave it straight. And just with the combing and the brushing of it, constantly trying to figure out what I want to do with it, there has been no type of shedding or tangling. And I am extremely happy about it, especially with this being a really long unit. Notice a human hair unit. I didn't wash it. I just wanted to show you all what it looks like. But especially after you wash it and you know, like straighten it out, or if you want to curl it, this is really, really cute, y'all. Like, I'm really liking it. Like, I like it a lot, to be honest with you. And like I said, I'm going to leave the links and everything below, so you can go, you know, if you want to order the unit or see what other kind of units that they have. But look how easy it is for me to just run my fingers through it, just to show y'all. Look at that. So yes, Miss Yiroo hair, I'm going to go ahead and give her 4Ks, honey. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back of this unit. But look as I'm like brushing it. See how I'm brushing it, how it just looks so natural. And I do want to mention as well that this cap is big head friendly. So if you got a big head like myself, it fits comfortably. You don't have to worry about, you know, getting no headache later, no kind of tension headache or anything like that. This cap feels very comfortable. Okay guys, well, this is all that I have on today's unit. You already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be ask, believe, and receive. Ask for what you want, believe that you already have it, and then just sit back and wait to receive it. Until I see you all again, my KKs, have a blessed week.